Hey, hello everyone. This is Tejal from Submodule Software, and today we are going to learn how to add expenses. So let's start. Just click on Purchase module, then open Expenses or Bills submodule. Then just go on these four dots. You will see multiple options over here. If you want to export your expenses, then you can export it through this Export to Excel option. If you want to print your expenses, then you can use this Batch Print option over here. And to create new expense, just click on Add Expense option. Then just select the date on which date you have to create that expense entry. Just select the type. I'm just selecting office expense. If you don't get this drop down list, then you can just add your type through this add option. Just select type, then select submitted by. I'm selecting Tina or adding Tina. Then enter TP code. Select if it is billable or not. If it's billable, then select as yes. If not, then keep it as no. Select the party name. I'm just selecting supplier. Then search for the supplier. You will get the supplier list. If you don't get this list of supplier, then please check out my video how to add suppliers, and then you will get this list over here. Then select the supplier. Notify party. If you want to keep it as yes, then change the status of it as yes. If not, then keep it as it is. If it is reimbursable, then select it as yes. Then enter amount of reimbursable if it is yes, and select the type of it. When you select supplier or customer, then the currency will be selected by default. Then add approved by. I'm just adding HR. Select status. Enter the description of that expense. I'm just adding expense 1. Receipt. Just adding receipt number. Then enter the amount. Then select the tax. If you don't get this tax list over here, then check out my previous video how to add tax configurations, and you will get the list over here. Then select that list. The tax will be added and just save it. On save only, your data will be saved and page will be reloaded, and new tabs will be available over here. Tracking notes, transactions and audit logs tabs will be available over here. You can easily check the details of it through these tabs, and you can also perform email, print and document action through these four dots through all tabs. Then just click on save and close. Your entry will be created on the index page, and you can easily view, edit and delete that entry through this action. You can also print, email, documents and payment against it, and also create invoice against that expense entry. You can quick search your expense entry through these filters, and search result you can refresh through this refresh button. This is how you can add your expenses. If you have any query to add these expenses, then please connect us at contact us@sunmolesoftware.com. Thank you. See you in the next video.